I'm just kidding.
No, you're not.
Alright, maybe not. Lady J, photo shoot, Final Fantasy, Volume 1. Say hi, Katsuya.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi, Jay. This is Lady J. Officially official. Especially officially official. She poses at the drop of a dime. Middle fingers up. Don't be offended, it's offensive.
You come next to me and tell me if it's good and tell us how to do this face.
Okay, so look for like a smirk, like, are you looking for like a, like you just said something smart and I was smart and something smarter than you were like, I just want to game. I just did something smart and like.
So then that's gotta be like, dumbass.
You have sunglasses on.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I like that.
Something maybe not.
Okay,
Top of the world.
You don't have to have your eyes like so.
Yeah, that's true. Your eyes are a little bit close together, so.
Every nigga got a vest on.
Okay, so what do you mean? I don't think that's bad.
That's not bad.
Your eyes are really wide. Your eyes are really bright. You look kind of high.
Lift your carriage too, man.
Don't be afraid to open your lips a little bit. Not so much so that you show your teeth. If you can.
That's the one right. That's the one right there. That's fine, completely fine. I want you to just put some fire behind your eyes. Fire.
Keep your teeth off of your bottom lip.
That's
Take chances. Don't be afraid to move your chin, move your head, move levels. Oh, okay. We're gonna forget it. 86. That suggestion.
Open your eyes a little bit more.
Come on, Chinese eyes.
Okay, come on.
Get those Chinese eyes out there.
Try tilting your smirk to one side and see how that works. Instead of just, you know, just.
You see, I was one of you, like I said. I can't see that. There we go.
A little more chin.
Two people not mine.
Don't listen to Don't listen to that. Okay, hey, you're fired. Okay. Thanks. Get your stuff on the door.
Hi. Hi. Oh, yeah, next.
Katsuya, don't be afraid to catch some good ones off guard when she's.
Can she allow to tilt her chin up a little bit?
That would be so superb.
There you go.
Use your angles. Use her angles.
Not bad.
That's not a bad angle. That smile, we could. Yeah, now you're getting. Now you're working with
Try
money.
tilting your head up a little more as if you're looking down on it.
There. Now you're getting in there.
Hi, there we go.
Yeah, this is Georgetown.
Sorry, I apologize. Hi guys. Hey, what's happening? Yes, yes, yes. So you have to swag it out, mama. Swag it out. Swag it out. Dream to believe. Metropolitans, wake up and breathe to the believe.